my YouTube channel. In this video series we are discussing Adobe Illustrator in detail. This course is dedicated for the beginners, and in this video I'm going to discuss how I designed this sliced text. So let's start with the new artboard. Go to File and New. I prefer this web design with 640 into 480, and I'm going to create a new artboard. So first I'm going to have my text, so I'm using this type tool and then click on the artboard. So my text is beta, yeah. And then I'm using my selection tool to scale the text. Holding the shift can give you correct alignment, give you a proportionate scaling of the text. And now I need to change the font. Go to the character tab, and then I have chunk 5 regular font installed. I have given the link in the description below, you can check that font. So I use this font. So to edit fonts like other graphics, you need to make them outlines. You can select the font, right click on it and create outlines from the font. Now you have vectors, like you have the shapes of the font, so you can edit them like the other shapes in Illustrator. So now I need to make this sliced appearance. So how am I going to do this? I'm using the pen tool. Yeah, my pen tool is here. So I'm going to draw the cut shape. I click here, and then yeah, I'm going to cut here. So I need to complete this shape like this. Now I need to select both of them, both of the objects. So you can see this is the line that we are going to slice the text. So I have selected both of the objects. Now I go to Pathfinder tab. You can get it from Window Pathfinder here. So in the Pathfinder tab there are pathfinders. I need to select divide. I'm going to click divide. So the shapes are divided, but they remain as a single group. So I need to ungroup them. Select it, right click and go to ungroup. After ungrouping, now I need to remove the parts of the shapes that I do not need. So first this one, I delete it, press delete. So in this shape I have a few additional parts of the shape I do not need, so I have to remove them as well. Here this part of the letter T, I don't want it, so I delete it. And here in letter B, this upper circle is removed by pressing delete, and here this part also gets deleted when I press delete key. So that's it. Now I have to group them as I want. So I'm going to select the upper parts here. So this one, shift key press can help you to select multiple items. This one, this and this. So I have them. Then I just check if I have selected the correct alignment, correct group of the shapes, and then I press Ctrl G, so they become a single group, and then I place them as I wish. Here you can try various designs with these, like keep a space like this, that what we call is a negative space, or else keep them closer to give the realistic sliced appearance. So I'm using arrow keys here. I'm going to move it a little bit to the left and downwards. So now I have this sliced appearance, and I'm going to group these other text objects as well into a single group. I select one by one while holding the shift key. This, yeah, undo that, and then I'm going to make a group. I press Ctrl and G. Yeah, now I have two groups. Now I need to give two separate colors, two distinct colors, to make them a great design. Yeah, for the upper part I prefer to give a light color. Yeah, I'll give this one, and then for the lower part I give a dark color, like this. So that's my design. And yeah, here there's this additional part I need to remove, this one. Yeah, deleted it. So this is the final design of the slice text. Hope you enjoyed the video, and check out my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.